Okay, we've seen evaluating fractions with one variable, but what about two variables? Let's say we have the expression a plus b. So we have two variables. Well, what if let's just say a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Well, then what does this come out to be? Well, every place we see an a, we replace it with a 2. So that becomes 2. Every place we see a b, we replace it with, wait, let me write it above. And every place we see a b, we replace it with 3. And this will come out to be 5. And that's how you do. You just replace it with numbers. Well, let's go through a more complicated one like x times y minus y plus 3x, 3 times x. And let's say x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Okay? So every place we see an x, we replace it with the 6. 6 right there, and 6 right here. And every place we see a y, we replace it with a 4. So 4 right here and a 4 right here. So then this expression will be now 6 times 4 minus 4 plus 3 times 6. Now we can evaluate it. So this 6 times 4 is equal to 24 minus, here, let me remove these. So 24 minus 4 plus 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And at this point, we can go 24 minus 4 is equal to 20 plus that 18, which is equal to 38. And there we go. It's evaluated. So you just replace it with the value it is. See? We replaced all the x's with the 4s, with the 6, and we replaced all the y's with 4s. Okay, stay cool.